Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today, I'm really excited because I'm going to share something with you that I think is going to make a huge difference in how you work with literature review. Whether you're an educator teaching research, like me, writing a doctoral dissertation, writing a thesis, preparing a research article, working on a grant, or just trying to stay on top of your field. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to manage dozens or even hundreds of research papers, like I have, trying to organize them, keeping track of what you've read and what you haven't, figuring out what is relevant and what is not, then this video is definitely for you. I'm going to walk you through Moara, an AI-powered platform for conducting literature reviews. What makes Moara different from other AI is that it's not just a research tool that gives you summaries. It is built on top of a reference manager. So your papers, your metadata, your annotations, your screening decisions, everything lives in one place, and you are in full control throughout the process, which is super amazing. I've added a link to Moara so you can try it for free in the description below. So let's get started and see how it works. The first thing you do after you create an account and log in Moara is build your library. There are several ways to do this. You can search for papers right here on the platform by going into AI search, adding your prompt in the search area, AI and English language learning, that you can add to your library by hitting add all to library or choose the ones that you want to add. It connects to Google Scholar and Semantic Scholar. So let me try searching for something I'm working on right now. I'm getting results right here. I can go through these and add the ones I want in my library. Now you can also import PDFs directly, upload citation files, or, and this is absolutely amazing, if you already use Zotero, you can sync your entire Zotero library directly with Moara. So all the papers you have already collected are right here. Now here is what I really love. Every time you add a paper, Moara does something automatically that saves you so much time. It deduplicates your library. So if you have the same paper coming in from two different sources, it catches that. No more duplicates cluttering up your collection, and it enriches your metadata. Moara has its own algorithm that finds DOIs and even raw PDF uploads with no metadata attached. It pulls in information from databases like Crossref to make sure everything is accurate and complete. So your references are clean from the start. I just love this. So now I have a clean, organized library. Let me show you what you can do with it, because this is where it gets really, really interesting. So let the magic begin. This is one of my favorite features. Moara can enrich your papers with over 60 fields. And these are not just the basic things like title and author. It uses AI and external databases to pull out information like study design, sample size, key findings, methodology, theoretical framework, the kind of information you would normally have to open each paper and extract yourself, which is time consuming. And here is the really powerful part. You can also create custom enrichments. So if there is something specific to your research area and you want to know across all your papers, for example, if you're looking at, which I do, mindfulness interventions and want to extract the type of intervention or the age group or the outcome measures, you can set that up and Moara will extract it across your entire library. Think about what that means when you're working with 50, 100, or even thousands of papers, which I usually do. Instead of opening each one at a time, you can see all of this information in one view. And that is a huge time saver. Collaboration. Now, if you're working with colleagues, a co-author, a research team, or even students, if you are supervising research or teaching research the way I do, you can add them directly to your project. You can share libraries, leave comments, assign tasks, and work together in one workspace. No more emailing PDFs back and forth, which I hate. And I know we've all done it. You can also download your reference lists in the formats you need, so when it's time to write, your citations are ready to go. Now, Moara has a section called Tool, and this is a newer area of the platform where the team is releasing new apps regularly, so you need to keep in touch and see what's new. Let me show you what is available right now. And remember, keep checking. Formal screening. This is really powerful and very useful. You can screen titles and abstracts and priority tags. Leave comments on each paper. And if you're working with a team, as I do, you can assign specific papers to specific people. My students, I love this. And the enrichment fields we just looked at, well, they show up right here as well. So you can see information about each paper without even opening the full text. This makes screening so much easier and faster. Full text review. You can now read and annotate directly in Moara. And all your annotations are saved to a central database and tagged to the paper they belong to. So you are not losing your highlights and notes across different PDFs. Everything is connected and organized. That's what we all need, organization. And then evidences synthesis. Once you have reviewed your papers, Moara can help you synthesize what you have found across your entire library. The AI can summarize top methodologies, key findings, and gaps. You can cluster papers into themes. You can build your paper outline right here in Moara, assigning specific citations to specific sections of your paper. And as I mentioned, the team is actively adding new tools here. So there will be even more coming. So keep an eye out for this. Now, I do want to say, and I always say this about AI tools, Moara is here to help you with your work more efficiently. And the critical thinking, that's up to you. The analysis, the decisions, what to include, and how to interpret your findings. That is still your work with the assistant, with Moara. Use it as an assistant, not as a replacement. Nothing will replace us. So that is Moara, a platform that gives you a complete system for managing and conducting your literature reviews. You build your library. It handles the cleanup automatically. And then you have all these powerful tools for enriching, screening, reviewing, and synthesizing your papers in one place. What I really appreciate about Moara is that it does not try to skip the literature review for you. It gives you the system to do it properly and efficiently, with you in control the whole time. I love this. The link to Moara for free is in the description below. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I would love to hear how you're using it with your own research. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next video.